I think starting this YouTube channel is a push to educate you guys on skin matters, recommendation and cosmetics product as well.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what guys, this is my first official YouTube channel and I'm so hyped. I'm so excited emotionally. So guys, I'm gonna be sharing a little bit about myself and what this YouTube channel is all about. So guys, I'm Godwin Chukwuemeka. I'm a licensed skin therapist, and in this channel I'm gonna be telling you guys about skin matters, recommendations and skin products. Most of you has been battling with a lot of breakouts such as acne, pimples, black spots, hyperpigmentation, white patches, so many of them, eczema. Some of you have been having cream reactions and thereabouts. So in this channel I'm gonna trash so many things about it out so that you have a glass skin. You get it now? So guys, believe me, you can't miss this. You can't miss this update guys. So make sure to turn on the notification button, subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Subscribe to Wes Aesthetic channel so to achieve that skin you have been admiring to have. Thank you all. I love you guys. See you on my next video.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic.